Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Kamlim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya legislator S.K. Sun demands setting up inquiry committee on the illegal flying of coal-laden truck on the national highway. He too exhorts Sutunga Elaka to fall into the trap of coke factories, and 26 local communities full vaccinated in Meghalaya. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya legislator S.K. Sun today asked the state government to set up an inquiry committee to probe into the illegal plying of coal-laden trucks on the national highway. Sun said hundreds of coal-laden trucks were plying through the national highway even when the state was under stringent lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic. Speaking to the media, Sun said he had received numerous complaints from the truck drivers outside Meghalaya that way bridges were charging exorbitantly high from the extra that they carried.
Nginomla banlen ngiyo hibar khoi baki don sibon kini ki bridge ki badon hapo shilter jong ka national highway sik but ka bakham sumsi kalong babun na ki driver ki badai na po ki way pat ki state ki complain wat ki phone yang aku state president ki ong bahaka state ke jong pi ka don ka jingle palat put akini ki bridge ha ba ki charge extra kata ka overload 3,000 10,000 ki report kani kamdai ke bang syukran manga kadai ki report ngatrai pi kenal boro kala lik lu ki social media hak bodon way driver na po Jammu and Kashmir Ukraine ni kani bat kila ton sipun plat kini ki illegal way bridge na nakaliang ka jongaro kum ke party namarba ngidai ke national party ki bangi ya kenduk lang bat ki breu bawan na ki state ki fair kila ut bai kani bat na kani ke Shillong jingman wat kini ki kali lokal ki ba supply juru kila komplain kila kendo usian tengah semua ba kane bendon ke inquiry but na kerpat lu ya ke sorka usian bu sim kiai kane namar ke jindon kini bridge ha ka ba ki dan pula ki kali ka kiulut kamar ba mar ka kta yu pai ba na kata kani ke isu kolong very serious na semua ba ladi ke por ka ba ki tuhi ki blok illegal ki ba khlem ay ken usi na ka Ministry of Mod ki de bang khang no mardor kata ka de jingdawa na kaliam jing kum ka pa.
Social organization belonging to Hinyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization today exhorted the residents of Sutunga Elaka and Jainta Hills not to fall into the trap of coke industries. Speaking to the media, members of HITO informed that some of the coke factories that have been driven out from Arunachal Pradesh are trying to lure the people of Sutunga Elaka for establishing Benami coke factories in their place. The members also warned the villagers of environmental hazards if such factories are allowed to step in.
Project kiba wan invest ha jala jangi kinlong kiba shai bat kinlong kiba katum ka ain namar ba ni ba dari phai gini coke factories po East Giant Hills po West Khas Hills ngilap ba ki yo tangi kata ke single window clearance handai ki klem yo bat ki kot ki NOC na ki Department of Affairs na do District Council na ki Forest Department handai ki shu ya ya ki board kini Department of Affairs pada ban issue ya kini NOC ni clearance
ay halor katangan pensay kendiat habiya day kat kum kato kam day ko order kaday ko notice ka ba kren ba kimla ban operate claim de yo ya kataka CTO consent to operate te ngila ay ku blay ru ya ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board but ya ka Environment Committee jong ka assembly bakila simkya hadin mengila ujor kila her kinala her but hadin mengi kran pati ba karkrang mentan ila kran beda ko basay yang ba hadu menta badai ki kindai ki illegal pe kindai ki legal ki tu ki bayo ya ka CTO CTE kindai ki dai ba ki illegal kamut tangha ko thop kerteng ru jinjar ban wadi gini ki try ta ki dang she penlang na ya kita ki kot kisla ki bayo na ka ilaka jong daloi ta menta ki kinya meneru kidang lech tai bat kidang lech check kidang survey pat ngila kelilu haju ya kato kopor ki khatsan tali ki kok la da mau hapo chalang ya kitu gi ba ki ay order ban shut down ban closure kila ada closure notif tak ban dismantle hendrai verify maki ki hablet as per law ngirung ngin lek ka an jong tela da hadin bakat to la ngila bu ya kato ka non cooperation movement ko government ka balai force ni kato la kut ban ngila yo ru ya ka jubab ya halor kato bagi kila pha her wot kila pha lek kat kum ka an ka kanon tangina kalian jongiru ba ngikwa ban ai ka wei ka message syaka beri pat syaka alaka setengah ba pat ba kini ki bawan set up ikan ko illegal coke factory hapo ke alaka setengah ba sikwe kwe kidai ki ju hi ki beri ki bala syak be na po changlang Arunachal kidai ki ju hi ki bale benemi tangi kentu ba kini ki pa jong ilaka mi pat ba be kini ki beri kini ki long ki ba be khanang ba kamai mariang kanda haba chief minister ulah dai lupa kupa jongi kini ki ni dekhar ki bi lane kita ki non tribal lane kita ki bawan snai kita illegal start maki kidai ki nong bat bor ya kamai mariang lada ukpa mle ai ba syak riep ko kami lane ki syak bat bor ngi ku ki kon semlangi hapan sim action alor kene tangi tai kentin ai mesti caka lekas setengah ba kendit no yo poi ba phi phinam la reban ring men siam ngin salong kumbalong ke Delhi bangi hap thiet ke oxygen.
Member of Tur Angela Rangat today said that she will continue with her demonstration in front of the main gates of the Meghalaya Secretariat to ensure that all the dues of the workers are cleared by the state government. Speaking to the media, Rangat said that her protest has started bearing fruit as she has come to know the Labour Department has started to speed the process to clear the dues of those workers who have not been paid by the state government. Meanwhile, the East Khasi Hills District Magistrate has handed a letter to Angela Rangat informing her that the Labour Department has started process to clear the dues of the workers and she should discontinue protesting from this place.
Office halor katuka income support katuka arhajar sis kata yo baar bat kasni basan deh mengasong hamne bat baru kini kisni te ki kelempat dia kontendu ne pat ongi Ndre nakaliang jongi te deki pau benai mentangi nak ya ujor mo saka Labour Department saka Chief Minister's Office halor katuka income support katuka arhajar sis pak bat san hajar badi ban yo ki beriu ne bakular ka sarkar mention snan Ndre mentasni pada ngayo kani ka sitina ka office jong DC baong ba ngambit ban song hakani ka jaka nama ka deka jaka sekretariat bat ba kata ka Labour Department kelas bang ban pej halor kini kicing Tika jingko ki jonga kalong kumne kapet halor ki jing ayu kahap ban kamlong beni akan det namar ba mentala de pau banai ko mong ong yi ni pha chiting na pha ki keteng jong ki breu tik ba klam yo kumne kumtai ndai I kum ki song klikti tilada ka jing song jonga hangni habar gate secretariat hayarap yakni mo ban kampen stat ki ki kijat ban trekam namangi osmo ka to kan ni parlo jingi ki on ki astang phone na Labour office ban penti kena ki account kumne kumtai lada kani ka jing song jonga hangne kaya rap yaki bakin kam tri company ne ngandang yai beteng ya kani namar ngan song hangne hadu ba iwei ti breu iba syakular naka sarkar ban yo e kani kepsa ki yo sisa e kani namar ba
26 local communities have been fully vaccinated in Meghalaya so far. Health officials said that they are perplexed that despite extensive awareness on the benefits of vaccination, only 2 local communities have been fully vaccinated in East Khasi Hills and the localities are Kemkrang and RR Colony. The officials also said that Yeosir and Rangmin local communities have been fully vaccinated in Ribhoi district. Malangwir of Southwest Khasi Hills has fully vaccinated, the officials said. The health officials said that Garo Hills has done well in terms of 100% vaccination. They informed that in East Garo Hills, 4 areas have been fully vaccinated. In North Garo Hills, 6 places have been fully vaccinated. 1 place was fully vaccinated in South Garo Hills district, and in West Garo Hills district, 7 places have achieved 100% vaccination. The Congress MLA PT Saukme today urged the managements of private hospitals of Shillong to reduce the medical bills of their COVID-19 patients. Speaking to the media, Saukme said that he has received numerous complaints that the COVID-19 patients were unable to pay the medical bills as they were extremely high.
Tihadin ba what happening jong bu ni sarkar ngador. Tiga ega banga nakaliang jong ngai bat kumju wat nakaliang jong ki pai ba ki kendo ki siam. Hak beri bat kan deka bill hapo ki private hospital of fair jong jela jong hi bro ko ti ngasubut ong tang ni ko ba ada ngador baga sarkar kalabu hapanga I kanong bakampat biang I kumba nakaliang jong I kumba nakaliang jong ki buon hi pai ba pidang siam jinge hadu kata-kata hak beri bat kan deka dor kaba nakabata gitu ki ba kiban fa li sumar nda ta kinde biyo jingpang jok kono virus mga kaso nak tu kalau nak beta kini ki private hospital dan apa Meghalaya ba khamta ma po Shillong ba khambon hi de po Shillong ka jing pat ma ka dang jonga na ka long bala ban penhiar su khamtam ya tu ka dor nama haduk mentah hi kani ka dor kam pat yarap nak beta jong gitu ki ba nek ban pak sumar.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.